Safe travels and enjoy the city.
Look. There's a yellow taxi coming. I need to wave my hand to stop it. Like this, I'm raising my arm up high. Oh good, the driver sees me. The taxi is stopping now. Hello. Can you take me to Central Park?
Sure, hop in. Please close the door properly.
Thank you. How much will it cost?
Let me turn on the meter. It will show the fare.
Okay, that sounds fair. I prefer taxis sometimes because they are right here.
Yes, no waiting when you see one available.
Hello. Can you take me to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, please?
Sure thing. Hop in. The Met on Fifth Avenue, right?
Yes, exactly. How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes with this traffic. I'll take the fastest route.
Perfect, thank you. Do you know which entrance is best for visitors?
The main entrance on 82nd Street is usually best. Is this your first visit?
Yes, I'm very excited. Should I pay by cash or card?
Both are fine. The meter is running now, so just relax and enjoy the ride.
Great. Could you please let me know when we arrive? I might miss the building.
Of course. I'll point it out when we get close. Buckle up, please.
Excuse me, driver, can you tell me how the meter works?
Of course. See that box with numbers? That's the meter. It starts when we begin driving and shows the fare.
Oh, I see the numbers changing. What makes the price go up?
Two things, distance and time. When we move, it counts kilometers. When we stop in traffic, it counts minutes too.
That makes sense. Is there a starting price before we move?
Yes. When you get in, there is a base fee. Right now it's $3. Then it increases slowly as we drive.
I noticed different numbers on the meter. What do they mean?
Good question. The big number is the current fare. The smaller ones show distance traveled and waiting time.
What about tolls or bridges? How do those charges work?
If we use a bridge or tunnel, you pay the actual toll fee. It will be added to the meter total at the end.
Thank you for explaining. Now I understand how taxi fares are calculated.
You're welcome. Always feel free to ask about the meter. We want passengers to know about the charges.
Do I need to tip you when we arrive?
Tipping is common but not required. Most people add 15 to 20% for good service. It's up to you.
Perfect, thanks again. This really helps me as a visitor to New York. Thank you, that was a nice ride. Here is $20 for the fare.
Thank you, miss. Your total is $15.80. Let me give you your change.
Oh, that's okay. You can keep the change. Thank you for your help.
That's very kind of you. Are you sure? It's $4.20.
Yes, I'm sure. You drove very safely and helped me with my bags.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Have a great day in New York.
Thanks, I will. Could you please give me a receipt for the ride?
Of course, here is your receipt. It shows the fare and the time.
Perfect. This is helpful for my expenses. Have a good day.
You too. Take care and enjoy the city. Remember to check your bags before you go.
Hello. I need to go to Central Park. Can you help me order an Uber?
Sure. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Do you see the Where to box at the top?
Yes, I see it. I will type Central Park there. Oh, it shows many options now.
Good. Choose the correct Central Park address. See? The main one is at 59th to 110th Street.
Okay, I select that one. Now there are different car types. UberX, Uber Comfort. Which one is good?
UberX is the cheapest and most popular. Tap on UberX. Now look at the bottom for the price estimate.
It says about $15 to $20. That's okay. Should I tap Confirm UberX now?
Almost. First check your pickup location. The map shows a blue dot. Is that your exact location?
Oh, it shows my apartment building. Perfect. I will tap Confirm UberX now.
Great. Now the app is finding a driver. See this screen? It shows the car coming to you in 5 minutes.
Yes, I see the driver's name and car model on my screen. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Remember to wait outside when the app says your driver has arrived. Have a nice trip.
Hello, are you the Uber driver for Sarah?
Yes, that's me. Are you Sarah? Your app shows you're going to Central Park?
That's right. I'm Sarah. Thank you for picking me up.
Great. Please hop in. Let me just confirm the destination on the app. Yes, Central Park West.
Perfect. Is it okay if I sit in the back seat?
Of course, anywhere you like. Seatbelt on, please.
Sure. By the way, do you know how long it will take to get there?
Traffic looks good right now, so about 15 minutes. I'll take the fastest route.
That sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ready to go? Let's start the trip.
Look at this taxi meter. It's already $10 just for a short ride. That seems expensive.
Really? Let me see your Uber app. Oh, it shows only $7 for the same trip right now.
Wow, that's a big difference. Why is Uber cheaper than the taxi?
Sometimes Uber has lower prices, especially when there are many drivers nearby.
But taxis charge by the meter all the time, right? The price goes up with time and distance.
Yes, exactly. Uber uses a fixed price when you book. You see the cost before you ride.
That's good. No surprises at the end. What about when it's very busy?
During busy times, Uber prices can go up too. They call it surge pricing.
Oh, like on a rainy day or Friday night?
Yes, exactly. Then taxis might be cheaper because their meter doesn't change with demand.
So I should check both apps before choosing?
That's smart. Also, taxis charge extra for tolls and late night trips.
Uber adds those too, right? I see fees here for tolls and booking.
Correct. Always look at the final price in the app. See? Uber still shows $7 total.
Thanks. Now I understand the difference better. Let's take Uber today. Okay class, let's talk about safety when using taxis or Uber in New York. First, always check the vehicle details before getting in. For taxis, look for the official yellow color and license number on the door. For Uber, match the license plate and car model shown in your app. Also, confirm the driver's name and photo on your phone screen. Never enter a vehicle if the information doesn't match exactly. Second, share your trip details with a friend or family member. Uber has a share status feature in the app for this. With taxis, you can text the cab's number to someone. Sit in the back seat for both options. It gives you more personal space. Trust your feelings. If something feels wrong, don't get in or ask to leave. Finally, pay attention to your route. Use your phone map to follow along. These simple steps help keep you safe. Any questions? Excuse me, I need to go to Manhattan. Is this the taxi line?
Yes, this is the taxi queue. You can take a yellow cab here. It's easy.
How much does it cost to go downtown? I have 2 big suitcases.
Taxi fare includes a flat rate to Manhattan. Around $52 plus tolls and tip. They accept credit cards.
Thank you. How long is the wait? My flight arrived late.
Usually 10 to 15 minutes. See the dispatcher? He helps passengers get cabs quickly.
Oh, that's good. What about Uber? Is it cheaper than taxi?
Sometimes cheaper, sometimes similar price. But Uber pickup is at Zone B. You need the app.
I have the app. Where is Zone B? Is it far from here?
Not far. Walk to Terminal 4. Look for purple signs saying Ride App Pickup. But check the app for wait time.
Hello everyone. Today we reviewed keywords for taking taxis and Ubers in New York. Let's practice the first word, taxi. Can you repeat after me? Taxi.
Taxi. Yes, taxis are yellow cars you can stop on the street.
Excellent. Next is Uber. Uber is a ride service you book with a phone app.
Uber. I like Uber because I can see the driver's information before they arrive.
Perfect. Now fare. Fare means the money you pay for the ride.
Fare. So we ask how much is the fare when we want to know the price.
Exactly. The next one is pick up. This means where the driver collects you.
Pick up. Like, my pickup location is at the hotel entrance.
Wonderful. Last word, drop off. This is where the driver leaves you.
Drop off. For example, the drop-off point is Times Square, please.
Great job. Remember these words, taxi, Uber, fare, pick up, drop off. Oh no. I'm late for my meeting in Manhattan. I need to get there fast.
Hello, miss. Do you need a taxi? I can take you right now.
A taxi? That might work. But let me check Uber first. Maybe it's cheaper.
Look at this traffic. Uber cars are stuck too. With me, we use special taxi lanes sometimes.
That's true. Uber says 15 minutes wait and $25. How much is your taxi to Times Square?
I use the meter. Probably $20 to $25 with traffic. But no waiting, we leave now.
Paying cash is okay? My phone battery is low.
Yes, cash or card. See my machine. And my cab is right here, no walking to find a car.
Okay, you convinced me. Let's go to Times Square, please.
Great choice. Hop in. I know a quick route.